How to edit text part 2. Editing text with Wordpad or Microsoft Word and editing email or Facebook messages. This part will describe additional edit operations available when using the Wordpad and Microsoft Word editors and when editing emails or Facebook messages. This is a Tom's Tech Notes video. There are over 200 computer help and hobby videos on my channel page. If the video you are watching is part of a series, you should watch the series videos in order from the playlist on the channel page. To visit the channel, you can type this URL into your browser. You can search for TOMSTDA. If they appear in your video window, you can click my name, Thomas Wallace, my photo, or a clickable link. To be notified when videos are added or updated to the channel, click the red subscribe button and request email notifications. This is the script for this tutorial. Open in the Wordpad editor. In Wordpad, you can use all the edit operations described in part 1 of this series for the Notepad editor and these two additional features. To select a paragraph, triple click in it. That's press and release the left mouse button quickly 3 times. To move text, select it and then drag it by pressing and holding the left mouse button, dragging the selected text to where you want it, and then releasing the button. I'll move it again. Press and hold the left mouse button, drag it to where you want it, and then release the button. Just a note, when you copy text from one text editor to another, you will occasionally get extra blank lines between paragraphs that you may have to remove. That's just because of differences in how the editors handle their text. There are also more features in Wordpad for the find and replace commands. Here's the same tutorial script open in the Microsoft Word editor. Please excuse that the lines are cut off. You can use all the edit operations for the Notepad editor and 3 additional features. To select a paragraph, triple click in it. To move text, select the text and then drag it with the left mouse button. Press and hold the button, drag the text, release the button. There is another option that only MS Word has, and that is to select a single line. You can select a single line by moving the cursor to the left end of the line until it changes to an arrow and then clicking the left button once. That selects the line. Move the cursor to the left end of the line till it turns to an arrow, then click the left mouse button once. That selects the line. There are more options for the find and replace commands when you're using Microsoft Word. Here's a sample email message that I'm composing in Gmail. While composing an email message in Gmail, you can use all the edit operations for the Notepad editor and 2 additional features. To select a paragraph, triple click it. And you can move text by selecting it and then dragging it. Again, you can move text by selecting it and dragging it. Remember, you drag with the left mouse button. Here's a sample message I'm composing in Facebook. When composing a Facebook message, you can use all the edit operations for the Notepad editor, and you can triple click a paragraph to select it. Advanced word processors such as Microsoft Word have many additional options. Also, there are special steps to insert attachments or links in email or Facebook messages. There are additional tutorials on this website to describe some of these features. For complete information, consult the user documentation for these programs. That's the end of this video. Once again, here are several ways to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel page.